This really happened, okay? In 2017, before I, did my first film, I'd made a list of the brands that I really want to work with and the films I really want to do, and it was just basically a manifestation. And I'd written it, and it was 2017, and I'd made a list of 10 brands, and of course, Tanishq was at the top of that list. And somewhere I'd put that diary away, and I kind of, how you put your old diaries away in one of my drawers, and I kind of forgot about it in a sense. And when I went back and I looked at that list, I wanted to see, did any of those come true? Did any actually happen? And then a year ago, I went through it and I saw Tanishq on that list. And I was like, okay, this is a dream. We have to make it happen. We have to make it happen. And then manifestations do come true. It did work out. And then we did a call with the brand and I actually showed them that look in 2017. I had, written this list, and for me, it's genuinely such a big dream come true. And I love everything that Tanishq stands for. There have been so many iconic advertisements that y'all have done growing up. We've watched it. Y'all have been path breakers in that sense. And everything, just the representation of how the woman, it's woman forward, the modern woman, how she's constantly evolving, how she's so deep rooted in emotion, but still at the same time so independent. So just everything about Tanishq, I love.
Do you have any special moments, special experiences that you had while shooting of the film or otherwise that you'd like to share?
So for me, I loved the concept because, as women and as girls, whenever we're picking out jewelry, we actually feel like we're, a kid in a candy store. And actually, Amayra shot before me on that day. She had already finished, doing those cute expressions she was making with the, with the bracelets and the rings and the necklaces, and she was playing around. And I hadn't seen her, what she had done before. And when I came on set, they were like, okay, you just have to kind of dance and let yourself go and be very free. Now, when someone tells you to be very free, you're automatically like, oh my God, what do I do? And as actors, we're used to getting steps and being choreographed. So I was very, very caught in my head, and I started overthinking every small thing. And I think that happens to us as we grow older. We kind of go into a little bit of a shell and we start thinking about society and judgment and what people are going to think. And then I saw what Amayra did, and I was like, okay, this is amazing. This is brilliant. I just have to do exactly what she's doing. The joy, the childlike energy, the wonder in her eyes, the little twinkle that she got, her silly expressions. I had to go back somewhere, of course, do what Amayra did, but also what, maybe a 6-year-old Ananya would do in that place. And it was a very, very sweet and special moment. And I love the last shot of the film where there's a mirror and I'm looking at myself, but myself is that 6-year-old girl. And I love the, the name of the campaign, which is Give Wings to the Girl Inside You. That she's someone you should always keep alive, no matter what happens in life. So I just love the idea behind it.
Ananya's just called you both her choreographer as well as her director in some sense. That's Amayra for you, the little girl from the film. Yeah.
मुझे शूट करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. मुझे वहाँ की टीम्स बहुत अच्छी लगी. वहाँ पे मुझे बहुत अच्छे सीन्स करने को मिले. I like it.
You like it?
Yes.
We like you.